Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a QR code page or design for your own need. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to create a design. I'm going to create a design. I like YouTube thumbnail, but you can choose any other design. Now we need to add the QR code part. To do this thing, we need to click this app and then it will bring list of applications. From here there is a search box. We just need to click here and start typing QR code and then hit enter key of your keyboard and you will see different applications are there. To generate the QR code, we can choose any of these things. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will open on URL field. Here I need to type the URL for our QR code. So I just typed which is like youtube.com/@FewSteps, and then we need to press this generate code. I'm going to click here and the code will be generated. Now this code will be scannable and people can or anybody can go to that URL very easily by after scanning this thing. To change the background color, we can also click here and we can modify our own own choice. Based on our own choice, we can choose this background, or we can also animate or something we can also do. And finally we can export it as a PNG file or PDF file and we can share with some other people. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily generate the QR code by using Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.